Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas ready. First, select your canvas material, whether it is cotton, duck, or linen, considering your chosen medium. Next, assemble your stretcher bars, ensuring they form a perfect 90-degree angle at each corner. Then, carefully stretch your canvas over the frame, pulling it tautly and securing it with staples every 2 to 3 inches around the perimeter. This foundational step is crucial for a stable painting surface. After stretching, the next vital step is sizing your canvas. This creates a barrier, protecting the canvas fibers from the oils in your paint, which can degrade the fabric over time. You can use traditional rabbit skin glue, applied warm, or a modern acrylic sizing. Apply one even coat across the entire surface, allowing it to dry completely for several hours. This layer is essential for the longevity of your artwork. Now it is time to prime your canvas with gesso. Gesso provides a bright, uniform, and slightly absorbent surface for your paints to adhere to. Apply 2 to 3 thin, even coats rather than one thick layer. Allow each coat to dry thoroughly, which typically takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, before applying the next. This multi-layer approach ensures excellent paint adhesion and vibrant colors. For an exceptionally smooth painting surface, you can lightly sand the gesso between coats using a fine grit sandpaper, such as 220 grit. After sanding, wipe away any dust with a clean, damp cloth before applying the next layer of gesso. Once your final gesso coat is dry, your canvas is perfectly prepared and ready for your artistic vision. Enjoy the process of creating your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.